Hello students, welcome to AJ Akshara Academy YouTube classes. ఈ ఛానల్ ద్వారా మేము సిబిఎస్ఈ, ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్, ఎన్టీఎస్సి, నీట్, జేఈ మెయిన్స్ వంటి ఎగ్జామ్స్కి సంబంధించిన వీడియోలను అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాము. ముందుగా మా ఛానల్ను సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్న సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్కి అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు. ఈ ఛానల్ను మొదటిసారిగా చూస్తున్న వారు మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కు షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీరిచ్చే సపోర్ట్ వల్ల మేము మరెన్నో యూజ్ఫుల్ వీడియోలను అప్లోడ్ చేయగలము. మీ యొక్క అభిప్రాయాలను కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తప్పక షేర్ చేయగలరు. టుడే ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ చాప్టర్ 8 సిబిఎస్ఈ క్లాస్ 9 మోషన్. ఈరోజు మనము చాప్టర్ 8 మోషన్ డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. In this chapter, first we have to describe motion. Before going to know about that, first what is rest? Rest nothing but a table. A table is at rest. A book is at rest. And is it changing its position? No. A tree, an electric pole, all these are at rest position. Now first we have to discuss what is rest. Especially now we are describing the position, whether it is changing or not changing with respect to time and surroundings. So when the position of a body with respect to its surroundings does not change with the time, then it is said to be at rest. When the position of a body with respect to when the position of a body with respect to its surroundings does not change with time, then the body is said to be at rest, or then it is said to be at rest. Now once again we will discuss here, especially we are explaining the positions with what, with respect to surroundings and time. Whether it is changes, then that is next. Now when the position of a body with respect to its surroundings does not change with time, then it is said to be at rest. Already we discussed the example. A table is at rest. A book is at rest. Chair is at rest, and a book is on the table is at rest. These are the electric pole. These are the examples of rest. Next we'll go for motion. Motion nothing but observing the motion of the vehicles, moving vehicles on the road, birds flying, and aeroplane is moving, and helicopters, all are moving from one place to another place. They are changing the positions with respect to the one point to other point. So what is motion? Nothing but when the position of a body with respect to its surroundings changes with the time, then the body is said to be in motion. When the position of a body with respect to its surroundings changes with the time, then it is said to be in motion. It is said to be in motion. అందరికి అర్థమైంది కదా. రెస్ట్, మోషన్. రెస్ట్ నథింగ్ బట్ డస్ నాట్ చేంజ్ విత్ ద టైమ్. మోషన్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇట్స్ చేంజెస్ ఇట్స్ పొజిషన్ with respect to surroundings and time. That is known as motion. Examples. Now we will discuss examples of motion. Running train, a running car, or moving vehicles, or a rotating fan. All these are the flying birds. All these are the examples of motion. Now we will discuss rest and motion are relative to each other. Rest and motion are relative to, these are relative terms. Rest and motion are relative to each other. Now example, how they are related. How they are related means, first take one example. Here two passengers, consider that two passengers are moving in a lift. Now the lift is moving upwards. Some are passengers are waiting for the lift. With respect to others who are waiting for the lift, they are in motion. The two passengers who are in the lift, they are at rest. So nothing but with respect to inside they are at rest, with respect to outside they are in motion. Similarly, hills, trees, buildings are at rest with respect to earth. With respect to sun, they are in motion. So next, one more example. Consider two friends are traveling in a bus. One more friend is standing in the platform waiting for those two friends. With respect to other friend who is standing on the platform, they are in motion. With respect to two friends who are sitting inside the bus, they are at rest. So by these two examples we can say clearly rest and motion are relative to each other. Now we will discuss what is distance and what is displacement. Distance and displacement. Distance and displacement. First we will discuss distance. Actually distance nothing but total length. What is length? Length measures the distance between 2 points. Here we are considering one example. Here a person is moving from point A to point B, which is for example 2 centimeters, and from B to he is traveling up to C. Suppose this is for example 4 centimeters. What is the total distance? Total distance nothing but AB plus BC. What is AB? 2 centimeters. What is BC? 4 centimeters. Total distance is 6 centimeters. So, distance defined as the actual length of the path travelled by a body in a unit time is known as distance, or the total length of the path travelled by a body is known as distance. What is distance? Total length or actual length. Actual length travelled by a body is in a unit time is known as distance. In a unit time is known as distance, or we can say that actual length of the path travelled by a body in a unit time is called distance. Next, distance is a which quantity? Distance is a scalar quantity. Scalar nothing but a physical quantity which has only magnitude but no direction is known as scalar. Distance is a scalar quantity. Scalar nothing but a physical quantity which has only magnitude but no direction is known as a scalar. Here also distance doesn't mention the directions, only it has magnitude. Next, units. Distance units. CGS unit of distance is CGS unit of centimeter, gram, second. CGS means C means centimeter, G means gram, S means second. CGS unit of distance is equals to centimeter. SI unit of distance is meter. Next, displacement. Displacement nothing but a shortest distance travelled by a body in a unit time is known as displacement. What is displacement? Shortest distance. Shortest distance travelled by a body is known as displacement. Travelled by a body is known as displacement. Displacement nothing but shortest distance, and distance nothing but total length. Same units, distance and displacement units are same. CGS unit is centimeter and SI unit is meter. The units are for distance and displacement are same units. CGS unit of displacement is centimeter, SI unit of displacement is meter.